Mask, gang.
We all need the gas mask.
You don't even smoke no gas, and you put that bogey down. You want some of this weed?
Yeah, I need some weed.
I got you right now. Hold on. I broke it down.
Hey, yo, some no new management.
Feel me? You know the magic trick. You see that, nigga? Now you got weed in your head out of nowhere, nigga.
Like a line, open, reel them in. I got that fishing pole on me. Ain't no cap in my story. He's a rat, set a trap, get a whack, end of the story. And then I'm back in that kitchen, whipping that white girl. She
Where you get that hat from, though, gang?
Nigga, I get more bitches than you, nigga.
Never that, bro.
These bitches was running sucking my dick last night.
How you get to my crib?
I had 3 bitches sucking my dick last night. I ain't fucking them. Fuck is you talking about? You can't do it. You can't have 3 bitches up in your
You made
bed.
that hat, though,
Fake
gang.
ass Mr. Green.
And you smell like wild vodka, gang.
I know I was drinking some vodka, but I'm all Gucci though. You don't know nothing about this, nigga.
Well, who made that hat, though?
folks.
Who made that hat, though?
This is a little ass kid. Shut the fuck up.
Chill, gang.
No, Mr. Green.
Chill.
Mr. Green.
Yo,
you fucking with me, yo.
Yo, chill. Get out.
Nah, what happened?
Get out.
Not hot.
All right, we're gonna lie, big homie. I think that body ready for crack. Damn.
Fuck crack.
Oh. The big homie. I got you a gift.
What is it?
You gotta start changing it up for you, big homie. Here. Put this in your feel me? Get that in your dirt.
Eat this.
Eat that. You eating wild bitch. You know, like you need some fruits, nigga. Lick your lips.
Let me hold something.
Nigga, hold that fruit cup, nigga, in your stomach, nigga. Get right. You out there eating nothing.